2014 Chevy Silverado 1500 5.3 liter direct injection. Has a couple codes in there: random misfire, cold start, rough idle, fuel trim, cylinder balance, bank 2, and it also was, we were told it has a cylinder 6 misfire, so we swapped plugs, swapped coils, nothing changed, swapped wires, nothing changed, swapped okay, well, no, that's all we swapped. Then I started checking a bunch of electrical things. Started checking waveform electrical, waveforms on injectors. And what I found was the pintle hump for the pintle closing was not quite as defined on cylinder 6 as it was on the other cylinders. So what we ended up doing was pulling the intake manifold off, and here's cylinder 6 injector here. Measured the resistance, and according to the Protoman, the spec is about 1 ohm at room temperature. All these other injectors have about 1 ohm at room temperature. This one has 0.3 ohms. So if you're having a problem with cold start misfires on a cylinder, not randomly, go ahead and check the electrical resistance of the injectors. Use the most accurate meter you can. Make sure your leads are good, because it's such a low resistance circuit that any little bit of change will affect the reading. So you want to make sure you're getting a good reading on it. Yeah.